Meaning of guff.
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 Guff. The word guff can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In informal usage, it can refer to nonsense or empty talk, especially when used as an interjection to dismiss something as unimportant or irrelevant. It can also refer to audible bodily emissions, such as flatulence. In a more formal context, it can refer to abrasive or confrontational language or behavior, particularly in the sense of verbal aggression or rudeness. Overall, guff tends to connote something insubstantial or unpleasant.